Hi y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ronga and I create content on travel, career, and positive living. Today I'm doing a property tour of the Shangri-La Hotel in Toronto, Ontario, Canada. So I stayed at this property earlier this summer and I just have to say, you guys, based on the overall look and service of this property, I absolutely loved it. Absolutely loved it. So the hotel does have a couple of entrances. It has a main entrance. It has a side entrance as well. And this sculpture was placed outside of one of the entrances. The name of it is, I believe, The Rising, and I'll post a link to the sculpture and the details of the sculpture. The hotel lobby is a pretty large space, and so of course you would check in at the hotel lobby area. And then they also have a flower shop. I believe this was a flower shop. It's open during normal business hours, where you can purchase flowers if you want. And then of course they do have like a mini snack bar kind of cafe shop within the hotel. All throughout the hotel, there are a lot of display cases, and so for the time when we were there, they had a lot of different dresses and outfits there. And then of course they had a main focal piece. This is the Met Gala dress that Rihanna wore to the Met Gala, I believe, in 2018. This probably looks familiar to y'all as the fried egg dress. But this was on loan to the hotel while we were there, and so it was actually there during the entire stay. And then I believe that they would swap it out for something else afterwards. So while we were at the hotel, we actually did two separate bookings. We stayed one night and then we checked out to go visit a family member, and then we actually came back to the hotel. And so because of that, they gave us two different rooms. This first room is a general kind of king bed. As you see, it's just one bed and it's just a room, but the room was pretty spacious. And then of course, they had a few amenities within the room. And then there is a closet within the room. Closet within the room was very, very large, you guys. Like, it was a pretty large closet. And I loved how you could pretty much enter in on one side and really kind of come out on the other side. So absolutely love the closet. And then we have the bathroom, and the bathroom was pretty nice. A lot of marble, a lot of glass. It just looks very neat and clean, and just a spacious bathroom. All right, so this is the second room we were in. This was actually a suite. And so they actually upgraded us because we were traveling with our baby. And you know what? I don't turn down free stuff. So we definitely took it and ran with it. So the suite came with a closet when you first enter, had a living room. Then it has a second closet closer to the bedroom. Also the bathroom in the suite, it looks pretty similar to the bathroom in the guest room. I think the only difference really were the mirrors. And that this one was a double, like a his and hers kind of sink situation. But same size toilet, I think the same size shower. And then of course, we come into the actual bedroom portion of the suite. I would say the bed was probably about the same size. Because this was a suite, the bedroom is smaller than the guest room we were in before, but because it is a suite, it has, of course, kind of a sitting space. And then it has a beautiful view of downtown Toronto. The property also had a spa. We unfortunately did not have time to go to the spa, but you guys, this spa just from the outside looked amazing. Then there's also the health club. And so the health club is where the gym is located, as well as the pool. And the pool area is simply beautiful. I love how they have these poolside cabana looking spots. And they are first come, first served. And then of course they do have a very, very expansive gym. So this is a meeting space that they had. They were getting set up for an event, so I couldn't really grab a lot of footage, but They have a meeting space, and they also had an outside rooftop area. So during the nighttime at the hotel, they have a lot of guests just sit down in the lobby area. They play some live music, and then they also serve drinks and some other items. All in all, as I said, service and overall experience at this property were top notch. Definitely recommend and definitely would stay again in the future. That's all I have for this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more travel, career, and positive living content. See you next time.